Hello everyone. In this video we'll see how to play audio through your Android application. For doing so, first we need to get that music file into your project. So let's create a place which is via new Android resource directory. For getting audio video files in your app, you should choose the resource type as raw. And once you do that, under resources you get a raw directory. Let's find the audio file. So I have a sample audio file here. I'll copy this and coming back to raw, we'll paste it here. The file name should not contain capital letters and you need to have MP3 as a file format. So this file is here now. Let's come to the design view and take a button for playing the music, and I'm connecting it with the parent layout, making sure that its position is not hampered at runtime. So this is my play button. In Java, I'll create an object for this play, and to play music I need to have media player. So object of media player. In my create method, I'll connect this object with the button by find view by ID and create an instance of media player, for which I'll be using media player.create. To create an object, mostly we use the constructor, but when you create an object in this way, this becomes a factory method. So dot create here, create is a factory method. So with this factory method, I am going to create an object of media player with two parameters. Number one, the context, which can be this, or you can write get application context, and the path of your file. So this file is under raw, so you can give the path as r.raw. The name of the file. Now this creates a media player with this input. Now to play, I am using a on-click listener, which will be activated when I click the play button. So media player dot start is the method to create or start the music. So let's try and check the output. So when I click on play, the music should play. By the time the app gets installed, we'll create the other two buttons having the functionality of pause and stop. So this button would be for pause and one more for stop. This stop. Right now when I launch the app, I had only play button. So when I play, the music starts playing. As I don't have any other way to stop or pause the music, I need to stop my app from here explicitly. Now let's decide what should happen when you come to pause and stop button. So let's create object for pause and stop and connect them with your Java file using find view by ID. So this is for pause, and for pause the button was and for stop I had my third button, so this should be 3. And I'll just repeat this task with pause button. Now it should not be mp.start this time because I want to perform pause operation. So I'll say mp.pause. And lastly, when I click on stop button, it should stop. So my media player should get stopped, right? So now all the functionalities of usual music that we play should work with this application. When you start and pause, the music gets paused for time being, and playing it again starts the music from where you paused. But once you stop, the music won't restart after start. Why? Because this object is created outside any of these buttons, so this is instantiated only once. So let's see. Play. Music is playing here. Pause will stop it where it was, and play will restart from that position. Stop will stop the media player completely. After clicking on play, now it won't start back. But in case if you want to, after stop also you want to restart, so you can do so by creating this object after stop. Here it is not able to analyze this because it's not able to find the context on this button. So you can write get application context to let Android find context for you. So now when I run, after stopping, it stops the earlier song music, but it creates a object which can be used when you click on play. So play and stop, stops it. While playing it again, restarts. So that's all from this video. Thanks for watching.